Are you looking to strengthen and stretch your body in less than 20 minutes? Well, today's class is just for you. Hey friends, it's Kate here. Thanks so much for joining me today. Now I have got a lovely Pilates class. It's a little less than 20 minutes and we really are going to hit pretty much the entire body. This is probably closer to an intermediate or advanced class, both because it does move a little faster and there are some more advanced moves, including a reverse tabletop and a reverse plank. These can be more challenging both because they are really a full body exercise, as well as they do require quite a bit of mobility in our chest. These are good ones to help us if we've been hunched over all day. No props are needed whatsoever. Simply roll out your mat and get ready to work your whole body. Let's start in a comfortable seated position. Hands on your lap, roll the shoulders back, lift the ears higher, close the eyes if you feel comfortable with that. Take a nice big inhale. Easy sigh out. Again, big inhale. Big breath out. One more breath. Let it go. Seal your lips together, breathe through the nose. Eyes can stay closed or you can flutter them open. Let's wake up our shoulders a little bit, rolling them backwards. Roll them forwards. Pause, lifting the ears higher. Let's take our hands over our head. Rotate the pinkies in, grow an inch or two taller, big deep breath. Hands behind the head, elbows nice and wide. Go ahead and twist to your right. Look forward, twist to your left. Look forward, tuck your chin to your chest. Pull your elbows into your side. Take another breath. As you exhale, start to forward fold a little bit more. Let your hands fall. Maybe even let them come all the way down to the mat. Head is heavy. Roll yourself up to a seat. Another big inhale, lifting the hands high. Again, twist right. Right hand back, left hand forward. Maybe look to your back right hand. Unravel. Same thing, other side. Unravel. Right hand down, left hand high. Lean over. Come on up. Same thing, other side. Come on up. Bring your hands down to the mat. Find a tabletop position. Press firmly into the floor. Lift the tummy up and in, broaden across the chest. If we want to wake up our spine a little more with a deeper cat and cow, go for it. Eventually, let's pause, navel in, chest open. Take your right foot behind you. Maybe push the heel back a little, stretch there. Find your center, lift the foot up, point the toe. Grow long from your head through your body, out your toe. Give me 5 tiny circles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Reverse your circle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Last time, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Squeeze your thigh butt connection point. Push the floor away. Almost lift the back of your head up higher. 5 times. I want you to tap your toe off your mat over to the right. Exhale, pick it up behind your hip. Inhale down to the right. Exhale, pick it up. 3 more down. Exhale, lift. 2 more down. Exhale, lift. Last one, touch it down to the right. Pause. Hold it there. Instead of picking it up and bringing it behind your hip, pick it up, keep it off to the side, drop it down. So we're lifting it straight up, straight down, while reaching it off in that small diagonal angle. 3 more, exhale, up and down. 2 more, exhale, up and down. Last one, lift, pause. Stretch the toe further away, big inhale. As you exhale, bring it behind your right hip. Slide it off to the side again. It's like it's sitting on a ledge. We can't take it up or down. We can simply take it side to side. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. 2 more. The next time you reach it over to the right, keep it there, hold down. Push a little further into the floor with your left hand, cinch the waist more. Lightly pulse or pick up your right thigh a little higher for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Lift again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Last time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Bring it behind you, set the leg down, sink back to a child's pose. Crawl the hands away. Tent your fingertips, allow your head to be heavy. Rise back up to hands and knees, navel in, chest open, left leg away. Point the toe, lift it up. Grow long from your head through your body, out your toe, tiny circles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Last time. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Navel in, chest open. Like we did on the other side, tap your foot over to the left, exhale, bring it behind you. Tap it over to the left, exhale, bring it behind you. 3 more down and up. 2 more down and up. Last one. Lift, pause. Now touch it over to the left. Instead of bringing it behind you, lift it straight up, straight down. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Cinch the waist, lift. Bring it down. 3 more up and down. 2 more up and down. Last one, lift, hold. Now we're going to keep it at that level. Slide it behind the hip. Drag it back off to the side. Exhale, bring it behind you. Inhale, off to the side. 3 more. Exhale, back and off. 2 more. Last one. Now reach the leg lightly out to the left. Hold. Push into the floor. Really stabilize through your right side. Take a big inhale. Lightly pulse your left thigh up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Lift again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Last time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Bring it behind you. Set the leg down. Return to your child's pose. Crawl the hands away. Tent the fingertips. Head is heavy. Roll yourself up to a kneeling seat. Swim both hands high. Squeeze the inner thighs together. Lift up and out of the waist. Big inhale. Exhale, twist right. Inhale, unravel. Exhale, twist left. Unravel. One more twist right. This time pause. Stretch longer, like your arms are being pulled apart. Maybe point your nose to your back hand. Take the hands up to the sky. Same thing, other side. Really reach, cinch the waist, point your nose to your left hand. Both hands up. Now I want you to take your hands off to the side in a T. Pretend there's a table underneath your palms. Push down into your table. Cinch your waist here. Take a big inhale. As you exhale, I want you to rise to your knees, and as you do so, squeeze your thigh butt connection point. Drop down. Exhale, lift up, cinching the waist. Inhale, drop back down. Exhale, cinch and lift. Inhale, lower. 3 more. Exhale, lift, squeezing your thigh, turning on the tummy muscles, lower down. 2 more. Last one. Lift up and pause. Hold right here. Push it down firmly into your imaginary table. Cinch the waist more. Lift out of your waist like your ears are being pulled to the sky. Take a big inhale. Both hands lift. Exhale, twist right. Unravel, twist left. Unravel, flip the palms, bring them down. Let's take our feet out in front of us. Open your feet to about hip distance, or about mat distance, a little wider than your hips. Feet can be flexed, and there can be a bend in the knee if we need to. If we can sit up tall and straight, that's awesome. Now again, let's take that great big lift out of the waist, this time a little hinge forward. I have a habit of jetting my chin forward. I want you to drop the chin to lengthen through the back of the spine. If there's a bend in our knees, of course, that's okay. If we have maybe more of a voluptuous body than I do, if you need to separate your legs more to make some room for your tummy, that is always fine too. I would rather you be concerned with keeping the spine long and straight here. Take a deeper stretch. Pretend there's a big, giant beach ball sitting right in front of you. I want you to drape over the beach ball. This is not about your head coming close to your knees. Instead, it's really about rounding through the back of the body. Take another big inhale. Exhale, bigger forward fold. One more breath. Drop down, roll yourself up to a seat. Both hands lift high again. Actively flex the feet. Take a big twist again to your right hand back, left hand forward. Try to point your left fingers towards your right toe. Take a big inhale. We're going to do a little saw. I want you to reach towards your left toe, and from here, can you lightly pulse? 3, 2, 1, pause. As you pulse, cinch the waist, contract the abdominal muscles. Pulse again. Last time. Unravel, both hands lift high. Exhale, twist opposite direction. This time, right hand is reaching towards left pinky toe. If our fingers are more towards the big toe than the pinky toe, it's okay. Hinge from the hips, reach down, little pulses. 3, 2, 1, pause. Contract the abdominal muscles, a big exhale every time you pulse. 3, 2, 1, pause. Last time, 3, 2, 1, unravel. Lift the hands high, flip, bring them down behind you. I'm going to point my fingertips towards my hips. If it works better for you to point them away from you, that's okay too. Stomp down into your feet. Big inhale, push into your feet. Exhale, reverse tabletop. Inhale, hips right back down. Exhale, reverse tabletop. Set the hips right back down. 3 more, exhale, lift, squeezing your thud. Drop it down. 2 more, exhale, lift. Lower down. Last one, lift, pause. Open up across the shoulders. If your hips are not as high as mine, that's okay. Can you open up from the chest? Can you push the pelvis higher? 1 more big inhale. Hips drop down. Open the feet once more as wide as the mat. Both hands lift high. Exhale, twist right. Just 1 round of that little saw. Reach, send the fingertips away. Pulse 3, 2, 1. Unravel. Twist, reach, hinge, pulse 3, 2, 1, unravel. Flip the palms down by the sides or back behind you. This time I'm going to walk my feet in so they're hip distance. You can repeat our reverse tabletop, or we can flex our feet. Exhale, reverse plank. Hips down. I know that's a big one. You're doing great no matter how big, how small your pose looks. 2 more, exhale up. And down. Last one up. Hold. Open up across the chest, cinch the waist. Really squeeze your thud. Take a big inhale. Exhale, lower. Go ahead and move a little closer to the front edge of your mat. Hands behind your thighs. Slowly start to lie back. Walk the feet in. Make sure they're in line with the sitting bones, nose pointing to the sky. Wrap the tummy as you imprint. Now again, let's lift into a bridge, squeezing our thud. Roll it on down. Inhale, lift up. Roll down. 2 more, inhale, lift. And lower. Last one, lift, pause. Squeeze your thigh butt connection point, push the hips a little higher, take a full big inhale. Roll all the way down to the mat. Let's continue to wrap the tummy in. Take the hands right by the sides, actively push them into the floor as we lift up our right foot, lift up our left foot. If there's some separation between our legs, that's fine. If we can really seal them together, that's great. Focus on contracting the abdominal wall. Touch your right toe to the floor, exhale, pick it up. Touch your left toe to the floor, exhale, pick it up. Inhale down, exhale, lift. Inhale down, exhale, lift. Down and up. Down and up. 2 more. Last set. Last one. Both legs together. Take your fingertips up to the ceiling, soften the shoulders, down the back. Now we're just going to move our right foot and our left hand. So take your toe and hand away from one another. Exhale, bring it back. Same thing, right hand, right foot, left hand. 3 and 2. Last one, other side. 5, 4. Notice if your belly's trying to kind of pooch or your belly button is reaching up to the sky. Resist that feeling. Last one. Beautiful. Again, right foot, left hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Opposite side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, touch your hands together, squeeze the inner thighs towards one another. Again, if there's some separation, not the end of the world. Both hands and feet, reach them out and away. Exhale, pull it in. Now, as you reach the hands and knees away from one another, if they don't go as far as mine, that's absolutely fine. What I'd rather you focus on is keeping the lower back touching the mat the entire time. 2 more away, back in. Last one away. Bring it in, pause. Separate the arms, separate the feet, flex the feet. Now again, we're gonna do right foot, left hand, but this time straighten the foot away. Exhale again, bring it in. Inhale away, contract the tummy, bring it in. 3, 2, last one, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse or opposite side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you guess what's happening next? Both hands and feet. And again, if we don't fully straighten, if you don't quite look like me, it's okay. Away, pull it in. Away, pull it in. Make sure you're breathing. We're not holding our breath. If we also need to lift our legs up a little higher, that's perfectly fine. If they don't quite go as low as mine, that's totally fine. 2 more, away and in. Last time, away, bring it in, pause. Set the feet down, set the hands down, lift the hips up, hold. Squeeze your thigh butt connection point, push the hips higher, full, big, deep inhale. Roll all the way down. Again, lift up. Exhale, roll down. Last one, lift up, pause. Space between chin and chest. Push the pelvis up a tiny bit higher. Fully recline. Let's go ahead and roll to our tummy. Gracefully or awkwardly, it's okay. Hands by the side, elbows pull in, pubic bone down, little tiny baby cobra. Roll it on down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, contract your abdominal muscles as you roll down. 2 more, inhale up. Exhale, lower. Last one up, pause. Hug the elbows together, push the back of the head higher, push your pubic bone down. Take a great big full inhale. And return to the floor. Bend your knees, little windshield wiper side to side. And go ahead and push back to a child's pose. Head is heavy, full big inhale. Big sigh out. Bring yourself up to a seat. As always, my friends, give yourself a pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. I certainly hope you enjoyed class. I cannot wait to see you again.